structure and function of the human respiratory system. Human respiratory system consists of the major parts: nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx. Series of branching ducts starting from the trachea. Two bronchi, one leading to each lung. Small bronchioles finally end in air sacs called alveoli. Bronchioles alveoli are contained within the pharynx. Cone-shaped lungs located in the thoracic cavity. Two lungs differ slightly in shape and size. The left lung is slightly smaller than the right because the apex of the heart is slightly to the left of the median plane. It has two lobes, while right lung has three lobes. Each lung is surrounded by two membranes. Inner membrane called visceral pleura adheres to the outer surface of the lungs. The outer membrane called parietal pleura adheres to the wall of the thoracic cavity. Between these two membranes, there is a thin fluid-filled space. During respiration, air enters the respiratory system through the nostrils. In the nasal cavity, air is filtered by hairs. It is warm, humidified as it travels through the space in the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity leads to the pharynx, which is a common passage for air and food. That means the air passage, food passage cross each other. During swallowing of food, the larynx moves upwards, which allows the epiglottis to close the opening of the larynx, called glottis. This allows the food to go down the esophagus to the stomach. The rest of the time, the glottis is open, so that the air can move from the pharynx through the larynx to the trachea. In the larynx are vocal cords, which are made up of large elastic fibers. These vocal cords help produce sound. When expired air rushes across the stretched, tense vocal cords, causing them to vibrate. Wall of the larynx, trachea, tunneled by cartilage that help these airways to keep open. Air passes from trachea into two bronchi that lead into each lung. Within the lungs, air passes through the small branches of the bronchi called bronchioles. Epithelium found in the major branches of this respiratory tract has thin film of mucus, cilia. Mucus help trap the dust as a particulate contaminant in the inhaled air. Then, the beating of cilia move this mucus upwards towards the pharynx, where it is swallowed into the esophagus. This process is referred to as a mucus escalator. It helps clean the respiratory system. At the tips of tiny bronchioles are large number of small air sacs clustered together. Air passes into these air sacs called alveoli, where gas exchange occurs. Walls of the alveoli are made up of a single layer of flattened epithelial cells that lack cilia. Inner lining of the alveoli coated by thin film of fluid. Lungs contain millions of alveoli. This allows a large surface area for gas exchange. Each Each alveolus is surrounded by a network of capillaries. Oxygen in the air enters the alveoli, dissolves in the moist film, rapidly diffuses across the thin epithelium into the capillary. Net diffusion of CO2 occurs from capillaries into the alveoli. There is no cylinder in the alveoli. There are the white blood cells in the alveoli to engulf foreign particles. Alveoli coated with surfactant that reduces the surface tension, preventing the collapse of alveoli due to the high surface tension.